Hey, what's up guys? This is Rapid here from Mechanic Investors, and this video I want to explain to you a little bit about the level 2 and how do I use it. Please subscribe, share, like and comment, and let's get to it. So I'm looking at INTC here and it's looking good for a long, and this is when I get my position right here at 68.55. Now at this point my stop is at 68.25, all the way at the yellow moving average. I included the time and sales here, and I included the level 2 so you can look at it. So essentially what we're looking for the stock to continue to the upside. That means we're looking for stacking, and what stacking means is we want to see a lot of yellows on the left hand side for a long versus the yellows on the right hand side. On the right hand side is the sellers, and they're just bidding to bring the stock down for a number, and on the left hand side is the buyers, and they want to bring the stock up. So we want to see the numbers, and the numbers of buyers on the left hand side and the size that they're providing bigger than the number of sellers and the numbers that they bring into the table. You can see here there is a fight going on. What we want to see on the left on the tape, actually a lot of green. Red is normal, but we don't want a lot of reds versus the greens that we see, because that means the stock wants to pull back down. So looking at it, looks like the 60s has been a resistance, and the stock starts putting down. Now at this point the stock didn't do anything wrong. You can see it's holding a trend line, it's holding the moving averages. The stock is still within the last big green candle that we saw that I bought on. So at this point you can see a lot of sellers coming in, but then you see the tape, it's going green, and that means they're chewing through these sellers. Now the big major thing that we want to look at again is a round number or semi round number, which is the 50. So 68.50s, that's our mark engaging who's winning in this battle. You can see down there on the blues we have the 52s as well. So now at back of your head we have the 52s that we need to overcome as well to actually let the stock move higher. And another thing that you want to look at, looking at these setups, who you're fighting against, it's really important. So for example, a stock that been going up all day long, as in this case INTC, we know there is a lot of buyers in it. There is a lot of people that bought the stock and want to see any opportunity to actually take advantage of and bringing it down. At this point you can see 68.60s was a resistance. The stock just blows through it, and we see a lot of buyers on the left hand side. It's going well. On the level 2 you can see that the 70s might be a problem. We have a lot of huge size on the 70s right there, and I see it and I decide to take some profits right there, because this is a huge size, and as soon as it hits that 70 it comes right back down multiple times, and you can see that the tape is speeding up at that point where the buyer is trying to buy and they can't go through it. Again, I kind of light up my position there, and I knew this is it. I knew I'm fighting against people that buy, and essentially these guys, they're looking at the first opportunity or the first sign that the stock is not going up anymore, and they want to take their profits home. So I long it doesn't work, or at least partially doesn't work. Doesn't continue to the upside like I thought it will be, and I close my position right there. You can see right here it formed a triple top. My sells were at the top of the day before it actually pulls back for all these buyers throughout the day to take profits to continue up. Thank you for watching, guys. If you learned something, let me know. Hit that like button, share with your friends, and I'll see you at the next one.